Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I'm just talking, not a tutorial, not a whatever, just a video. And I wanted to wish you guys a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate in your culture, in your family. Happy New Year's as well. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is it for me. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I've lost inspiration to want to do this every couple of months. You know, I have to kind of like force myself to do this. Me doing that has let me know it's time to let go. Okay, and it's time for change. And maybe that change comes with leaving for a bit. You know, maybe I'll come back in a year or two, 3, 4, I don't know. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be leaving, and I just wanted to, you know, leave on a good note. You know, I know a lot of you guys probably didn't like me in the beginning. I know a lot of you guys loved me a lot, and I appreciate that, and I appreciate you coming back just to see me every once in a while. When I would show my face, and I really appreciate that. I really appreciate you checking up on me and messaging me and all of that stuff. And it's just been a lot, you know. And not to bring up like old stuff, but a lot of people don't know what it's like being on here, you know, being a little bit different, you know, and having strangers talk about you and having people you know troll you. You know, it's a lot, you know, it's a lot. And having people just say horrible things about you even though you've done nothing to them. You literally can't do anything to them, but you know, for some reason you make people angry just for being who you are. And it's crazy to me that that's just, you know, it's just been like things in the past. Now it's just rare that someone says anything about me, like, and I like it. I like it, but I just feel like in the last year or so I had to force myself to refresh, to get inspired to do this every couple of months. I just have to force myself to do this. And I'm gonna low-key blame my thyroid. I have hypothyroidism, which pretty much slows down your thyroid and stuff like that. So I'll blame that a little bit too. But yeah, it's just, I don't know if it's I don't know what it is, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'll be leaving. I know you'll miss me. I'll miss you all very, very much. I'll miss all the lovely comments that you guys leave about me. Even some of the negative comments that you guys leave that make no sense, but okay. I don't want to cry, so I'm just gonna like look up so that my my tears don't come rolling out. I think I put up a really good fight staying on here, okay? I think I did. But I think, you know, maybe in a year or two I'll come back. I don't know. Maybe when things, you know, get better. I don't know. But I wanted to let you guys know I love you all very much. I appreciate all the love. 7 years worth of amazing love and support that I've gotten from people that I've never met. I want to thank you guys for that. And by the way, sorry for the noise in the background. My kids are watching that dinosaur movie. Okay. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you all in a year or two. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, oh, thank God. Some of you may be like that. Some of you may not be like. Some of you might be really upset that I'm still going to be here. I'm not going anywhere, but my hair is. And I love you guys way too much to just leave like that. You know that. But yeah, I've lost inspiration on doing my roots. I'm tired of doing my roots. I'm tired of dyeing my hair. I am tired of cleaning up my pink bathroom every time I dye my hair. I'm tired. Okay? Tired. I love my red hair more than any hairstyle I've ever had. But I need a break. 2 to 3 years maybe. We'll see how long it lasts. But I know a lot of you guys are probably feeling like, what is this? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to Queenie's hair. Okay, so I have 3 things of hair dyeing. I'm gonna section off my hair and we'll get started, and we can see my red hair go into hiding for the next, or hibernation, let's say hibernation, for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I don't know. Okay. Alright guys, so my hair right now is pretty stiff. As you can see, like, it's like pretty stiff because it has a lot of conditioner in it. And usually when I prepare to do any type of chemical treatment, I really like put a lot of conditioner in my hair, maybe a week ahead or 2 weeks ahead, or a lot of oils, so it doesn't damage my hair. That helps me. Not sure if it will help you. Remember, this is my hair. I've been doing it since I was a little child. Okay, so I know what it likes, I know what it doesn't like. We're gonna say goodbye. It's just, even one of my kids is very upset that I am going to be changing my hair back to normal, because they said that, you know, they've known me for almost half their life with red hair, which is true. But you know, sometimes mommy gotta change things, you know, to keep on going. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'm staying on YouTube, just to make that clear. I'll be here. I'll still complain about views and stuff because YouTube is like messing up my views, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm not. I feel like I am needed, you know, especially now more than ever when the beauty community is always in some type of problematic situation. And I really hate when people say we need new beauty gurus and the beauty community sucks and whatever. No. Let me make this clear to you. It's only a handful of people that are problematic. The rest of us are good. We stick on topic. We're not doing messy things for views and doing horrible things and saying horrible things and whatever. So I'm staying, but my hair is going. Well, the color is going, not the length, the color. Alright. I'm gonna section this off. I think I'll do like 3 parts. So a triangular part in the back. Okay, so this is all, since I last dyed my hair, I think I have about, what looks like about 2.5 inches maybe worth of roots that grew out. So yeah, plus, like, I don't know if you could see, but I missed so many spots and I was just like over it. I didn't care. I just didn't care. Okay, didn't care. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so nervous. I really am. Yeah, you know, I know someone's gonna comment, it's just hair, you're being too dramatic. Yeah, it's my hair. I love my hair, you know. It's mine, so it's important to me. Some people don't care about hair, that's fine. I do. I have 3 bottles of jet black hair dye, and I'm using the Revlon Color Silk formula or brand. I don't know. I'll do 2 first and do the 3rd one last, just in case if I need more. If I don't need more, I won't do it. Are you guys excited? Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm scared. I got these cheap black gloves from Dollar General. I hope they work. If not, I have these gloves. These are actually dishwashing gloves that I use to dye my regular hair. So I might use these. I don't know. I don't know if I should. You know what? I should. I'm gonna put something around my neck. I'm just gonna use one of my old backdrops that I don't use anymore. Put it like that. Ooh, I'm thinking if I should do the front first. I feel like I should do the front first and then work my way to the back. Yeah, I think I should do the front first and then work my way to the back. 7 years. Well, 6.5 years. Whew. You see, the last time I dyed my hair, you see all this? I just did it like I didn't give a shit, because I didn't at the time. So, oh my god. I will miss you. I will miss you, and I will not miss you. It's like a, oh gosh. There we go. It's too late now. It's too late now. I think I'm gonna end up needing all 3 bottles. I'm just trying to put the dye on my red parts of my hair first, and then, I know, try to. Oh, it's been so long. Oh my goodness. You see it's changing already? Wow, it works so fast. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Someone bring mommy the big comb. Alright, you guys, so at this point, I pretty much stopped talking, and my kids turned up the TV so they could watch their movie. They were watching that movie with the dinosaur. The Good Dinosaur. The Good Dinosaur. The Good Dinosaur. That's what they were watching. So I've continued on dyeing my hair, and it's a really, easy process. You put the dye on, you comb it through, and make sure you get it everywhere, okay? I ended up only using the 2 bottles. That was actually enough to just do all my hair. Definitely 1 bottle wasn't going to do it. I was going to end up needing another one. And I already had 2 boxes. I actually went to the store that morning or this morning to get an extra box just in case. Okay, but if it fades or whatever, if I see any red in a couple of weeks when I wash my hair again, I'll definitely take care of that. But the 2 boxes just did the job. I really am amazed by how fast this dye works though. Like, you guys, it only took maybe 2-3 minutes and my hair went black. Okay, like years of bleaching my hair, and I never re-bleach the same spot over again. I only do my roots and that's it. I never double bleach my hair because that causes way too much damage, and your hair will break off, fall off, and you'll never see it again. Okay. So if you are interested in dyeing your hair or bleaching your hair, try not to bleach the same hair that you already lightened before again and again and again and again, because what's going to happen is it's going to get weak, it's going to get brittle, it's going to break off, it's just not going to be healthy anymore, okay? But like I said, I am really amazed by how fast this hair dye works. This is in the shade Jet Black, and my natural hair is pretty much black. Over the years, you guys have seen my roots grow out multiple, I don't know how many times. I can't say multiple, but a lot, to the point where I wore my hair in a ponytail and it looked like my hair was black until I turned my head and my ponytail was red. So it's just the whole process was just, I got tired of doing it. I lost the inspiration to even do my roots anymore. I was done. And I was like, okay, goodbye. I'm done with my red hair right now. All right. If I want to, I can make a wig to match my red hair, but we'll see. And as far as the caption, I know a lot of you guys, especially those of you that don't like me for whatever reason, I know a lot of you guys probably got excited thinking that I was leaving, but I am not. It's just my hair. My hair is going to take a little vacation, hibernation for a few years. Okay. I have too many supporters who come to my channel on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, to check out what I have posted, to see if I'm okay, to message me and, ask me if I'm okay, if I'm alive, if I'm breathing, and, generally care about me. So, Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. Okay, okay. All right. So yeah, just my hair going bye bye. All right, guys. So while I wait for my hair to do what it's doing, I have to wait 25 minutes, but 15 since you know, counting the time that it took for me to put it on. I'm gonna put on a mask, treat myself. Um, a lot of you guys that follow me on my live page know that I'm always busy doing something, and I don't mind. And sometimes I forget that I need to take care of me, you know. But I'm gonna use this mask. This is from Derma. This is their vitamin C brightening clay mask with turmeric and kale. So it smells good actually, and it's not green though. I actually have on a tiny bit of foundation because I've been breaking out so bad, but I'm just gonna go over it with the mask anyways. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna put the mask on, and I'm actually gonna wait the 15 to 20 minutes while wearing the mask. And once it's nice and dry, I just rinsed off my face and I went into the shower. So once I got in the shower, I started rinsing off as much as I can the hair dyes that I use. So I use 2 bottles. You want to get off as much of the product as you can, then go in with your shampoo. I'm using the BioCare shampoo from Cellerm. I love Cellerm products. I've been using them for years. 16 years now, so I know what I like and I know what my hair likes. And I did take a break from them for a while because it is an expensive brand, and I was using the Dove moisturizing formula, which is really good. I have nothing against it. I love that brand. So, you know, I do switch in between, but I do love Cellerm. It's my top brand of shampoos to use for myself, and shampoos and conditioner, mask, and all that stuff to use. So I'm using the BioCare shampoo, which is a thickening shampoo, and it also helps with, you know, hair loss if you're experiencing that. That's what it's supposed to do. It's my first time trying it because usually I get the protein shampoo and the balsam protein conditioner. So once I'm done shampooing, I condition a bit with the balsam protein conditioner, also from Salarm, and then I go in with a wide tooth comb and just comb through my hair, get out any tangles or knots. I love a conditioner that lets me easily glide through my hair. Okay, that's what I look for in a conditioner, and I get that with Salarm. I'm not sure if these products will work for you. You'll just have to purchase them and try for yourself. They work for me, and I absolutely love it. I usually come back to it, and you know, I had to invest a little bit of money and come back to it. You know, treat yourself. Well, I was treating myself. Usually when I get the shampoo and conditioner, I keep them for an entire year, you guys. Okay? Like, it's expensive. Okay? But it's worth it. All right, so now I'm using the Wheat Germ mask, also from Celarm. I absolutely love this hair mask. You only keep it on for 3 minutes, but I usually keep it on for 5 to 10, depending on what I'm doing and how I feel, but I absolutely love it. So I rinse it out a little bit, and here I am, my camera fogged up, and I'm pretty much done, but I have to put my leave-in, and I'm using the Silk Protein leave-in, also from Celarm. I think it was Silk Protein, but Silk leave-in from Celarm. Did my roller sets, some internet magic, and this is the final result. I can't believe that I look like myself again, like my original self before YouTube, before you guys even know who I was. All right, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know, give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel. Okay, that helps my channel a lot. And comment. That also helps my channel. It lets YouTube know that you guys want to continue watching my videos. Okay, I love you guys all so much. I plan on sticking around for a very long time, and I'll see you guys all in another video. Happy New Year's, and I love you all. Bye.